Now I've got a brick colored, a dark brown, bricky colored kind of roux. And this is where I said it gets fun. This is like cooking in lava, all right? This stuff is so hot. All right, so now everybody stand back, all right? Stand back, get your goggles, your safety goggles on and stuff, because here comes the lava part. Woo! I guarantee! Look how quickly that thickens up that lava hot roux, right? I get that really nice color. My spices have been toasted under heat. Now I'm gonna lower this heat, let it thicken up, simmer a little bit. I'm gonna give it some tastes in a minute, but I've still got proteins that have gotta go in. I may have to add more chicken broth.